Today we're going to be going over a failed 30-minute opening range break. At the 10:05 candle, you can see price went above the range and then closed back inside the range. This told me that if a pivot forms close to the top of the range, I can use that pivot as our risk. So we subtract the high and the low of that entry candle, 407.12 minus 405.80. That gives us 1.32, so that means the range of that candle is $1.32. I only want to risk 1% of my account. I have a $25,000 account, so that would be $250. So we take $250 and divide it by 1.32, and we're going to get 189 shares. Now we have to see if we have enough buying power for this position. I have 4 times buying power, so we have $100,000 to trade with. So we're going to multiply 189 by 405.80, which would be our entry. And we're going to get 76,726. That's going to be our position value. That's how much our position is worth. And it's below 100,000, so we're able to take this trade. Now we have to map out our targets. So we're going to multiply our candle range by 2 and then subtract that from 405.80. And we're going to get 403.16, and that's going to be our first target. Whenever we hit our first target, we're going to sell half our position. We're going to get about $248. After we take profit at 2-to-1, the rest of the trade is on a 2-bar break. So for a 2-bar break, 1 bar has to close above the previous bar, and then the second bar has to close above the previous bar as well for it to be considered a true 2-bar break. We entered the trade around 10:30 a.m. and we didn't exit the trade until about 1:30 p.m. and our final exit was $399.82. Our final take profit was about $399.82, and we secured about $568. If you add that to the previous take profit, that's $816 in total profit, while we were only risking $250. So that's about a 3.27 risk to reward. How we structure these trades is the reason we stay consistent. We have to define our risk. We have to know our position sizing. We have to know where 2-to-1 is. And we have to set ourselves up for whenever the trade doesn't continue our way. If you're interested in learning any more, I'm going to leave my email in the description. You can email me at any time. And with that, I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day.